stick around to see how you can make this easy, cute sock bunny just in time for Easter. And there's no sewing involved, there's no stitching, very simplistic. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, and if you are just meeting me for the first time, make sure you stick around because I have a really cool channel with a lot of kids crafts that you won't want to miss. Let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to need 2 socks, some rubber bands. You're going to also need some scissors, googly eyes, a pom-pom ball, or 2 pom-pom balls actually, and you'll see why later. And the socks are just if you want to have clothing, and of course you're going to need some rice and beans. So I would say at least 2 cups of rice and beans. So you're going to start by putting the rice and beans in your sock. You could also just use regular rice or just beans. I'm just choosing to use both because I like the way the texture feels. And of course, a funnel would work best for this, but I'm being a little lazy and I decided to not go all the way to the kitchen and get a funnel. But hey, look, it worked out. So the first time I used just 1 cup of rice and beans, and as you can see, I didn't like the density. I wanted it to be thicker, so I added some more beans on top of the 1.5 cups that I had. If you want to see the measurements, definitely check out the description box and I'll give you the exact measurements that I use. But yeah, this is much better and you guys can play around with it, you know, just get the size of the bunny that you want, and that's how much beans you'll need. So now we're going to rubber band in 2 places. So imagine if you were rubber banding like a snowman. You're going to have the bottom layer of the snowman and then the head. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to split it in half. Oop, be careful, the beans are falling. And then I'm going to rubber band it a few times, but then you're going to see that I'm going to stop and then I'm going to go to rubber band the head because the beans are falling out. We can't have that. All right, so you'll see the next step. I'm just cutting down the excess of the sock that we have left over, and I'm going to make the ears. And I'm just going all the way down to where the rubber band meets, and then you'll see that I'm going to hot glue this together. And then you just take the excess sock and you just kind of ball it up as far as it can go. And then I just sealed it with some hot glue as well, just like that. And now the bunny is complete. So if you just want a bunny, you can stop here. But if you want to add a little shirt to the bunny, keep watching. So we're going to take the other sock that we have, right? And we're going to kind of hold it up, see how much we want to cut off. And I kind of eyeballed it. And this is how much I want of the shirt. So I'm going to cut that part of my sock off. That's the foot part where the toes are, excuse me. Then I'm going to also cut a tiny little hole right where the toe part is so I can have the head of the shirt enter that hole. See? Just like that. And then I'm going to pull the shirt onto my bunny, and that is it. Very simple. I told y'all this was a simple craft. And now to add decorations, I'm going to add some ribbon around the bunny's ears because it's a girl bunny, and you're going to see me also add some yarn around the neck because I feel like I cut a little too much. And I wish I would have made the hole a little smaller. But I am going to also decorate with some googly eyes. This part is totally optional, but we got our googly eyes from Dollar Tree, and I had some pom-pom balls around the house, so I am giving my bunny a nose. You can also achieve this with gluing some cotton balls together, and you can do the same thing. I also had an extra pom-pom ball for the bunny's tail, and now I'm going to add some blue ribbon around the ears to decorate. And I was trying out some blue ribbon around the neck, but I think I'm going to use pink instead. There you have it. One cute, very easy, simplistic sock bunny. Now guys, y'all have no excuses. Y'all better be doing this today. Just go ahead and find you some old socks, because I know you got some in that sock drawer. And my daughter, y'all, love this bunny. She carries it around everywhere. She named it Bonnie the Bunny, and I guess Bonnie the Bunny is a new addition to our family. All right guys, so if you love what you saw here today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video to tell me to make more of it, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have tons of arts and crafts for kids. I'm posting a new video every day, so you have to subscribe so you know when I post, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications. Hit all. And guys, I will see you again tomorrow, because we're doing a different craft every day, and I will see you on the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Come back tomorrow and I'll be happy to have you. Have a good day. Bye everybody.